What's up, future warriors? Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of MEPS, the Military Entrance Processing Station. It's not just another boring stop on your journey to becoming a soldier. It's the ultimate test of your character and determination. Imagine a place where your past, present, and future collide in a whirlwind of medical exams, background checks, and career choices. Welcome to MEPS, the military's secret gateway. Think joining the military is just about being tough and patriotic. Think again. MEPS is the hidden boss battle you need to conquer before you can even put on that uniform. Many recruits stumble here, unprepared for the challenges that await them. 1. MEPS is a marathon. It's long, it's boring, and it's crucial for the enlistment process. Bring a sweater, a good book, and some cash for snacks. You'll face medical exams, drug tests, background checks, and the infamous ASVAB test. 2. The fast track. Want to speed through? Take the ASVAB in the evening, crash at the provided hotel, and tackle medical in the morning. This ninja move can cut your MEPS time to just a day and a half. 3. The potential pitfalls. Failed the ASVAB? Need a medical waiver? Background check hiccup? Don't panic! These setbacks are more common than you think. We'll show you how to bounce back. 4. The paper trail. Got childhood asthma? Allergies? A sprained ankle from that epic skateboard fail? Start digging up those medical records now. Trust us, it'll save you headaches later. Here's the shocker, MEPS isn't just checking if you're healthy enough to serve. They're also screening your moral character, too. Every little mistake from your past could come back to haunt you. But don't worry, we've got the inside scoop on how to handle it. MEPS is like the final boss in a video game. It's tough, it's intimidating, but with the right strategy, you can conquer it. Remember, if you can smile after MEPS, you've got what it takes to excel in the military. Ready to take on MEPS? Here's your mission. 1. Start gathering your medical records now. Every detail counts. 2. If you have any past run-ins with the law, no matter how small, get those records too. 3. Prepare mentally for a long, sometimes frustrating process. Your patience will be tested. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more insider tips on conquering your military journey. Got MEPS horror stories or success tales? Share them in the comments below. Next time, we're diving into the exciting world of military occupational specialties. Ever wondered what job you could land in the military? Stay tuned to find out.